Now it's 20 years later, someone far across the ocean. Here I am, chilling with the homies on some grown shit. Thank God that I made it this far. If it wasn't for my driver, then I would've crashed the car. It's the Beach Boy coming through the city, going hard. I got big money calling, I'm just tryna play it smart. Play it smart, I'm just tryna play it smart, yeah. Play it smart, I'm just tryna play it smart. I got...
Yo, what is going on, you guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for 6.6 thousand subs. Means a lot to me. As you can see, we get the Fortnite behind here. Actually, we're about to hop in a Friday night Fortnite Friday night Fortnite tournament with the squad, so it's gonna be fun. And I thought just before I do that, because I want to get a video out for you guys, and I got a package sent to me which I'm gonna bring upstairs just due to the fact that I don't want to be in my room and film a video. It's pretty cool. Now, this person was emailing me. I had no idea who it was. I didn't really read the email too well, but it was like a sponsor, so most of the sponsors I'm gonna take for the most part anyways, unless it's just not worth it. Now, I come home the other night to a box sitting on the table, and I'm like, oh shit, like, hey, because this company asked for my address, and I sent it to them, and then that day they replied saying here's a tracking number, so I wasn't expecting it to be in the same day. So I was like, oh, you know, Fat Panda, that's local. So it came in a beautiful box. Now I got shredded into that like way too fast. Now I got a t-shirt with all this stuff in it. This obviously came in nicer packing, but I got two. They sent me socks, a t-shirt. We got a pop socket on my phone, and we got stickers, lanyards. We literally got so much stuff in here. What's this? So this is just like all the juices, I'm guessing. And more stickers, And we got a pile of juice in here. Now, I've never used this juice called The One before, but I know they sell it at Fat Panda. Now they just gave me a bunch of testers, and they said they were giving 3 to me for a giveaway. Said you could take, we'll send you 1 sample kit and there'll be 3 to go for a giveaway. But I don't see, I literally got 1 box, well 2 boxes. I think they're all different juices. They might be the same, I don't know. But guys, check them out. Their juice is like actually really good. It's called The One Juice. It's on Fat Panda's website. Super good. I'm just super stoked that I got a box from Fat Panda because, like, think of this. Wow, my hair. All of my videos that I've filmed ever, so I think I have 70 videos, sent out all the ones that have a vape review, any juice, anything in it. So like, I'd say 60 videos are from Fat Panda. Now, I never got sponsored until the other day, but 60 videos, over 700,000 views, because I have like 800,000, but I'd say 700,000 views got pulled in from the product that I bought from Fat Panda. Now, I'm super blessed and super like pumped on this opportunity to work with them, because I've literally grown my channel off of Fat Panda, and like, I don't know, I've literally spent so much money there, like over thousands and thousands. Like, I'd say about $10,000 in vape shit since I was 15 buying from there, and like for my friends and all that stuff. There's just been thousands of dollars spent there. So now that I have them on my side, there's gonna be better videos to come. Now, this is gonna be shorter video. I'm just kind of stoked that I got this. Like the socks, I wore the shirt the other day, but there's just so much stuff in here. Like usually I get like 2 bottles or 6 bottles of juice, but the one thing they could have sent was actual like bigger bottles of juice. See? Good morning. Alright, good morning everybody. Today, it's like 4 days after, I hold 3, maybe 3 days, 4 days after I filmed that like Fat Panda thing. So today, I don't know if you guys remember, but like in April, I'd like to say, maybe April, earlier, I don't know. I went and stayed at my sister's boyfriend's house, who has like a house in the city. So I'm literally packing up my desk and everything, because I need my desk because like all we're gonna be doing is like gaming, and this is like the time of week, like when I go there for the week, This is where I actually grind my videos. This is where I can actually upload my videos in like 10 minutes. This is where I can stream easy. I did buy better internet, but it's for some reason really slow right now. Can't stream, can't upload. It's too slow. So I got to take both my monitors off, pack them up, pack my computer up, throw the desk in the truck, pack my Xbox, I think. No, I won't bring my Xbox, but I got to pack all this up into the truck and drive an hour to his house, and then we're gonna unpack that. I'm gonna vlog a little bit today just because like that part of the video was kind of short where I like told you guys about my sponsorship. But I will go through what's in the box tomorrow. I'm gonna daily upload for 4 days or 5 days, however long I'm gonna stay there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, pack everything up, and then I'll pick the video back up when I get in the truck. We're vlogging today, baby. Okay, so we finally made it to the new crib. I have to redo this because my audio didn't work. We got Alex right here. He's playing, what are you playing?
Overwatch.
Overwatch, and then we got another Fortnite set up there. Then we got my PC. I've been here for like 4 days. Going on 5, we're gonna be live streaming some pro scrims tonight all night, so make sure you guys turn on post notifications. And yeah, it'll be intense. We might run a duo tourney again. I don't know. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry if it was all over the place, but yeah, huge shout out to Fat Panda for the sponsor. We got the one juice. I already kind of showed you guys the bottles. They sent me lots of extra juice. There's I believe 4 extra bottles of juice in the box at my house. So if you guys want to win that giveaway, or I'll be running a giveaway, so just like the video, make sure you subscribe, follow my Instagram, and comment done when done on my latest Instagram post, and I'll just like link Fat Panda down in the description so you guys can go buy their juice. Here's some different juices. Here we got AC Fresh, the old line, then their new line. Super good. I highly recommend any juice that you see here. We got Grape It Up, Lemon Strawberry, Cool Menthol, White Grapple, or White Grape, Mango Papaya, Green Apple, Lychee Punch. The Lychee Punch is super good. Green Apple mixed with Cool Menthol is amazing, and Strawberry with Cool Menthol is absolutely amazing. Link down in the description. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe if you're new, comment something down below. All the instructions for the giveaway are going to be linked down in the description, and peace out.